Today, guys, we're gonna play time runners. Let's try to do this. I'm so bad at this game. Always crash out. I'm good. I'm having good, bro. See, I'm having good. Look at me right now. I'm thumping real hard right now. Bro, how did I even decide to play this game? I played this game because I was bored. And guys, I'm sorry that I haven't posted. I don't know if I already said that or I didn't. Because I can't really remember. I tried it one more time. I'm going to play a different game because I was going to play this game, but I forgot I hadn't made a video in a long time. So, one more try. I even tried that time. No, okay, what the flip? I'm going to crash. Oh, crashing out! So we're can't play that game, so I'm going to play another game. Guys, I forgot to record. And then literally dismantled by Sukuna. Ow, bro! This man. Yeah, you're not going to see that part. Just forget nothing happened. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Guys, I don't know if you want me to do this or not. You don't have to tell me in the comments. If you really want me to, I'm happy to. Because I know how to show my face when I'm making these screen records. That's what makes me anyway. So I'm sorry, but I need to grinding. And I'm gonna get YouTube. I'm gonna get cooked so hard. I'm gonna pop. Wait, what? Guys, you see that? Don't call me a hack. I don't know how I did that myself. But how? How did? Okay, this was good. Okay, I think I learned it now. Oh my days. Oh my days. KJ. Oh my, I can't do that move against people now. I do it all the time. But I'm getting dismounted. Come here. KJ. Move out the freaking way. KJ, move out the freaking Sukuna. We go. Bro! I'm gonna kill you now, KJ. KJ, I swear. Come here. Now. You gotta have to come here. Cause I was gonna beat you up at this point. Come here. You stupid. I can't even get. Now what I'm doing? Oh, so I want to get the guy I was trying to kill. How greedy. Nah, you can. The guy I was trying to kill, you can run away. I'm gonna do this KJ, man. I'm blocking. Come here, brother. Oh no. Let's go bubbleted. I'm gonna try the team here. So you do a KJ. I'm gonna try the team. Because I hate teaming anyway. Let's go. Bro, guys, I'm sick. Oh my god. Bro, my nose. Guys, I'm literally sick right now. I have a blocked nose and that's so annoying. Hello? You good? I'm pissed off football. Oh my days! I'm not trying to say you're a kill, buddy. But you kill him, please. I'm not trying to say you're a kill. I'm not gonna be greedy. No! Please. Oh my! I bet everyone in this server trying to come after me now. Right. I get to low health. Everyone in this server trying to get to me. Like my bounty just dropped. Like I have a bounty when I get to low health. Like I have a bounty though. When I'm at low health in the server. TFE. Give me that. Okay, I know what I'm doing now. Hello. Okay, I need to stand there. Oh my. Nah. I'm coming back for you. Oh my damn shit. Oh, shit, bro. Come on. I'm gonna lose Sukuna. You should piss me. Oh my. Bro, this is my turn. Okay, Sukuna, you do it from the thing now, aren't you? Come on, now, go and slap me. Sukuna's dismantling this guy right there. Sukuna's dismantling. And guys, I'm getting a Gozo figure, like a Gozo T13 in like a month or something, I don't really know. But I'm getting like a Gozo figure. I just want to let you know. Not like you can anyway. Come on, too easy, brother. I'm just gonna try to get 1 kill in this game. I'm gonna try to get 1 kill in this game. And I'm gonna try to play Hero Battlegrounds. That's Hero Battlegrounds. This guy's got a death kind of fight. Look, he's gonna get death kind. Look at my avatar. Look at my goofy avatar. Look at my King Kong. My dead avatar, goofy ass. I don't know what I picked it. A KJ. KJ though. I just don't know. I have no rating. It's like, come on, yeah, do that. What did I say? You guys don't know. This guy greedy. You have to know my username. This guy has to know my username. This guy does not even know my username, bro. He only looks for the health bar, bro. This man greedy. I'm gonna try to pick up again now. Because I did say I was going to play Hero Battlegrounds, but I did say that, but I'm on an L streak right now, so yeah. So that's why I'm gonna play a raid. There's almost female people in the raid. Steve, I am Steve. I am Steve. Come on, Steve. Come on. I'm gonna break your ankles. Come here. Why are you running? Where are you running to? I'm discombobulating your ankles right now. Watch your ankles. All that for what? Bro? Bro, I just hyped myself up to get this discombobulated by this crab. Wait, upside. I mean. I just got disfigured. Someone please help me. I don't know how I'm so sick right now, bro. I'm about to crash out. Help me, please. E-boy, help me. I'm breaking your ankles now. Watch your lock, bro. I'm gonna break your ankles. You do lock, bro. Watch I got a ton around on you. Watch your broken ankles. Look at those ankles, bro. I'm feeling like Snapsy now. I feel like Snapsy. If you don't know who he is, just type in Snapsy. Please, bro, Snapsy. He's the best YouTuber I ever saw, bro. I'm not trying to do with the snaps or anything, but if you know him, you know he screams a lot. He screams, but Snaps is my goat for real. But in football, my goat Ronaldo. I'm a fan of Snaps, bro. I watch every single of his videos. And he's also like a FNAF. He's a FNAF gamer, so if you like FNAF, you can watch him. He's actually good. He actually makes it funny. Cause them jokes you've been making are actually okay, this man, you stupid, you're telling me, look, I don't have it disabled, do I have time disabled? No, I'm really that heavy, am I? I'm really that heavy. Oh my days, you're come on, please help me, please help me. This guy. Huh? I'm crashing out. I'm crashing out real bad, so guys, I'm gonna end the video now because I'm gonna end the video. So bye.